Hi there. Here we have a nice little Part X that's come in. It's a 59 plate 2009 Ford Fusion. I think it's about 98,000 miles. It's been well cared for. It's had a cam belt done. I've just seen on the bonnet at 83,000 miles, I think it was. We've just done a service on it. It's got plenty of other service history. It's got aircon, and we've had that hot weather, and to be honest, the aircon's bloody works. Couldn't believe it for an old car like this, and the aircon actually works and pretty well ice cold. This is quite nice. Let's just show you. It's all bodywork's all nice. If you look down, it's all clean and tidy. Very little pin dent there, but I think the dent guys will get that out when they come down. Other than that, very honest level car. Seats and everything are all in good order. They all fold forward, and it's got that fancy folding front seat. So I'm assuming if you go to IKEA or B&Q, you can put your long panels through there. That's your boot release, electric windows, 5-speed manual. I was done 93,000 miles, not 98, 93,495 miles. I say I drove it for a little bit while it come in. Drove it for a couple of days. Drives nice, and in this hot weather with the aircon, it was actually quite pleasant. So that's that. I should go on the other side. Let's open that first. I can do the boot from the key, the boot opening. Right, so you've got this plastic load liner. Underneath there, it's all nice and clean. Under there, then you've got your spare wheel, which looks in good order. And your tools are through there. All the sides are good. It's quite a genuine little car. Makes somebody a cracking first car. It's all something to do with the seating. I'll go to the front and show you that in a minute. So it drives well, clutch and everything feels good, smooth gear change. So then that folds down like so. And then when you fold the back seat down, you've got a complete through to the boot. Just pull that back and lift back up. Well done. I think they're designed for wheelchairs and stuff. I think that was, somebody told me that was originally designed so you can get wheelchairs in the back. But power steering, central locking, aircon, electric windows. It's got everything you need really. So thanks for looking. If you want to know anything, just give Wayne a call on 07970 701166. Thanks again. Bye.